Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to allow message notifications in WhatsApp Web. WhatsApp Web enables you to receive instant message notifications on your computer, ensuring that you never miss an important conversation. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to enable message notifications. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Launch the application and ensure that you are logged into your account. Step 2. Locate the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu in WhatsApp Web. Step 3. Click on the three dots icon to expand the settings menu. A drop-down list will appear. Step 4. From the drop-down list, click on Settings. This will open the settings page where you can customize various aspects of WhatsApp. Step 5. Look for the Notifications option. It is usually located towards the top of the settings page. Click on it to access the notification settings. Step 6. In the notification settings, you will see different options for customizing your notifications. Look for the checkbox next to Message Notifications and make sure it is checked. That's it. By following these easy steps, you can allow message notifications in WhatsApp Web. Conclusion. Enabling message notifications in WhatsApp Web ensures that you stay updated with your conversations, even when you're working on your computer. You will receive instant notifications whenever a new message arrives, allowing you to respond promptly. Remember, you can always go back to the notification settings and customize them further to suit your preferences. WhatsApp Web offers a seamless messaging experience, keeping you connected at all times. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and enjoy allowing message notifications in WhatsApp Web. Note: the information provided in this video is accurate at the time of recording. WhatsApp may update its features and interface, so please refer to the latest version of WhatsApp for any changes.